Hello there, tech friend. Welcome to our ultimate guide on how to install Microsoft Office. Trust me, you don't want to miss a single step, so let's dive right in. All right, now let's fire up your browser. In the address bar, type config.office.com and hit enter. Time to create a new configuration. Click on Create and let's move on. Next, choose the architecture of your system, 32-bit or 64-bit. If you're not sure which one you need, just check your system properties. Now, pick the Office suite you want. For this tutorial, we're going with Visio LTSC Professional 2024. It's the best choice for a seamless experience. Scroll down and select your preferred language. This ensures Office will be installed in the language you're most comfortable with. Mine is English United States. Press Next to Installation option. Kindly don't change anything here for now. Press Next. Under Licensing and Activation, we will use the default one as it is indicated. Leave General as it is and click Next. Under Application Preferences, scroll down and click Finish. On your right-hand side, click Export. In the pop-up, choose Office Open XML formats. Click OK, accept the license agreement, and then export the configuration file. Tip: save the exported XML file in an easy-to-access location. Open a new tab and type office.microsoft.com.pr.wsus.setup.exe in the search bar. Hit enter to download the deployment tool. Head over to your download location. Select both the XML and setup files and copy them. Open your Drive C. Create a new folder and name it Office. Paste the copied files into this folder. In the Office folder, right-click the address bar and copy the address. Now, in your search bar, type CMD. Right-click and select Run as Administrator. As you can see, we have an error, and we need to uninstall previous versions of Microsoft Office from our computer. Open the Control Panel. To do this, click on the Start menu and type Control Panel into the search bar. Once it appears, click on it to open. Next, look for Programs or Programs and Features, depending on your view. Click on it to see a list of all the programs installed on your computer. Now find Microsoft Office in the list. Depending on your version, it might say something like Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2021, 2019, 2016, etc., or Microsoft 365 apps. Once you find it, click on it to select. With Microsoft Office selected, click on the Uninstall button at the top of the window. A new dialog box will pop up asking you to confirm. Click Yes to proceed. The Office uninstaller will now open. Follow the prompts on the screen, just click Next and confirm any steps until the uninstallation is complete. This process might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the uninstallation is done, some versions of Office might ask you to restart your computer. Go ahead and do this to ensure everything is removed properly. This helps avoid any conflicts during the installation process and ensures everything runs smoothly. Type the following command and press enter. setup.exe/configuration.xml. Your installation will now begin. Depending on your network speed, this process might take a few minutes. Let's give it some time to install. Once the installation is complete, let's check to see if everything went smoothly. Open Microsoft Word and make sure it's ready to go. If you encounter any issues, try restarting your computer and running the setup again. Thanks for staying with us till the end. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.